is a special weather statement for the following areas in Texas, coastal Cameron and inland Cameron. Significant weather advisory for Cameron and southeastern Willacy counties until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm 8 miles south of South Point, Oregon, 10 miles south of Southmost, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Winds in excess of 40 miles per hour will be possible with this storm. Locations impacted include Harlingen, San Benito, La Feria, Los Fresnos, Santa Rosa, South Padre Island, Rancho Viejo, Rio Hondo, Palm Valley, and Los Indios. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle.
Yeah. Whoa. From Port Mansfield, Texas to the Rio Grande River out 20 nautical miles, Laguna Madre from the Arroyo, Colorado to 5 nautical miles north of Port Mansfield, Texas, Laguna Madre from the port of Brownsville to the Arroyo, Colorado, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 15 nautical miles southwest of Laguna Vista to 13 nautical miles south of Port Isabel to 16 nautical miles south of South Padre Island, moving north at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include South Padre Island, Queen Isabella Causeway, Laguna Vista, Port Isabel, and Port Mansfield. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Port Mansfield.